Has your property listing in Chicago or the suburbs recently expired or have been canceled without any offers? Wondering how you can successfully put it back on the market and get it sold? In this video, I'm going to share you the top 7 new approaches that I use to relist and sell your property effectively. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn your expired or canceled into a successful sale. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I've served the Chicagoland suburbs and the Chicago area. Over the years, I have helped numerous homeowners like yourself who were frustrated with their unsold properties. Today, I'm going to give you 7 innovative strategies that I use to expire property back on the market and get it sold quickly. So here we go. Number 1, revamp your listing photos. High quality professional photos and video can make a significant difference. Poor quality images can deter potential buyers and make your property less appealing online. So I hire a professional photographer to capture your property in the best light, highlighting its best features and making it stand out to the crowd. Number 2, update your property description. A fresh, compelling description with SEO optimized keywords can attract more potential buyers searching online. An outdated or bland description can fail by capture interest. By including detailed and engaging and keyword-rich content, you can appeal to the right audience and improve your property's visibility on search engines. It never fails. Number 3, reevaluate your pricing strategy. Sometimes a slight adjustment in the price can make your listing more competitive in today's market. Overpricing can scare away buyers, while underpricing may undervalue your property. A thorough market analysis can help set a competitive and attractive price, balancing both value and market demand. Number 4, enhance curb appeal. First impression is everything, okay? It matters. If your exterior of your property looks neglected, it can turn off potential buyers before they even step inside. Simply upgrade like landscaping, a fresh coat of paint, clean windows, declutter, make your property more inviting and increase its perceived value. Number 5, utilize social media marketing. Promote your property on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, reach a broader audience. Without a strong online presence, you might miss out on numerous potential buyers. By creating and engaging posts, videos, ads can attract more attention and generate more leads for your property. Virtual tours and open houses. Offer virtual tours to give potential buyers a detailed view of your property from the comfort of their home. Traditionally, open houses might not be enough in today's digital age. Virtual tours provide convenience and its accessibility, allowing buyers to explore your property in a detail without the need for physical visits. Number 7, work with a real estate expert like myself. Partnering up with an expert realtor can provide you with the insights and strategies needed to sell your property. Trying to navigate the market on your own can be overwhelming and ineffective. An expert like myself can offer tailored advice, negotiation skills, and a comprehensive marketing plan to ensure a successful sale. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your chances of selling your expired or canceled property. And if you need a personalized assistant, feel free to contact me 773-550-4846. I'll guide you every step of the process, ensuring you'll never alone in the real estate selling journey. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and if you find this video very informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you successfully relist and sell your property.